everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your spiritual guide Himani. So it's another week where I'm going to tell you what universe is going to guide you during the week as per your zodiac signs. So it's a weekly horoscope for the week 26th of October till 1st of November. So it's a transition from October to November. So let's see universe आपको क्या guide कर रहा है. जनरली आई गिव प्रिडिक्शंस एज पर मून साइन. तो कई बार कई लोगों को अपना मून साइन नहीं पता होता, तो यू कैन रीड this guidances as per your sun sign, whatever resonates with you. I will put the timestamp of all the zodiac signs so you can check your own and see what universe is guiding you during the week, how you can make your week more happiness and more joyful, how you can work according to the guidance, whatever resonates with. I will put down this time, I will put down all my social media handles so it is easy for you to connect with me through these channels. You can write to me whatever questions you have, or you want some guidances, or my blog page is there. You can always check different videos, guidances where I put card of the day also. So before that, before starting, I request new users, new people who watch my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification beforehand for the new video, and also press the bell icon and share this video with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy the readings. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First zodiac sign is Aries. Let's see what is the card. Okay, so Aries, for you the guidance is from the card King of Gabriel, which means this week you are very inspirational, you are very generous. Also, this card says keep your eyes on the big picture. So some things are going to happen this week, so keep your eye on it. Leave the details to others. Experience that leads to success. So whatever experience you have gained during your tenure, you will achieve success. So keep on working hard, gain experience, because experience always leads to success. Also this week you will have genuine concerns for others. You will be very generous towards others. You are ready to help others. People look forward to reach out to you for help. So all the best, Aries. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Taurus. Let's see कि Taurus के लिए क्या guidance है. Let me pull the card for Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, for you the card is 4 of Gabriel, which means this is the week for celebrations. It can be your anniversary, it can be your success in work. So overall it's the time for celebration. Also it can be home calling or housewarming party, or if you are single you might be engaged or ready for marriage. Abundant rewards for hard work. So whatever hard work you have done in your work, you will get abundant reward in the form of salary hike, promotion. So overall it's a good time to celebrate. Release yourself from burdensome situation. Also this is the time to release any burden you have in your mind, because this is the week where you will get happiness in life. So release all your burden situations and be happy and celebrate your success. All the best, Taurus. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Mithun Rashi, Gemini. Let's see what is the card for Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, for you the card is Queen of Raffle, which means this week you will be understanding, you will be very kind, you will be ready to give others help, solution, advice. Also you will be trusting your intuition. Follow your heart. It is the time to follow your heart. Whatever decisions you have to make, whether it is for family, for your office front, you will have to follow your heart. A love for home and family. You have love for your home as well as for family. You will maintain the balance between your home and family, taking care of others. Trustworthy psychic information. So, whatever instinct says, trust your instinct, trust your psychic information, what universe is giving you. Follow your heart, make decisions. What your heart says, what your instinct says, follow them. That is the thing to trust. All the best, Gemini. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, Cancer, Kark Rashi. Let's see the guidance. What is the card going to say for Cancerians? Okay, Cancerians, for you the card is Seven of Gabriel, which means stand up for what you believe in. So, whatever you believe in, you have to stand up. Don't keep it in shell. So, if you feel this is right, fight for it. Stand up for your belief. Have confidence that whatever you believe is correct. It's the right path for you. So you have to stand up for what you believe in. Have confidence. Claim your personal power. You have the power to take the right decision. You have the power to be successful. So stand up for your belief. Have confidence, Cancer. All the best. So let us move ahead and check the guidance for Leo Singh Rashi. Let's see what is the guidance for Leo. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is Queen of Gabriel, which means this week you are very passionate, very brilliant, you are very independent towards your work, you are charming, you can attract people through your charm. You are very brilliant in your work front as well as in your home front. So you can do anything right now. Believe in yourself and you can do anything right now. Go after, chase your dreams. What you want in life, you can achieve that. So go and chase your dreams. It You have the ability to attract helpful people. So be confident that you can attract people who can help you, who can help in your work. So go, chase it, chase your dreams. You have the power to do anything in life. All the best, Leo. You are a charmer. So let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo. देखते हैं वर्गो के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is change your life. So, a sudden revelation that offers freedom, break free of procrastination. So, जो आप लोग procrastination कर रहे हो, you have to break free of procrastination. You have to have that freedom, you to have sudden revelation that you have to change your life. You have to change altogether. आज का काम कल. Procrastination से you have to come out. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. So you have to embrace whatever opportunities are coming your way that will change your life. This is the right time to change yourself. Remove all the past grudges, and you have to believe in yourself. Whatever weaknesses you have to break free of your weakness. जो भी है, चाहे वो प्रोकास्टिनेशन है या impulsiveness है, whatever weaknesses you have to break free of them. You have to be free from them and embrace the opportunities that will change your life. So all the best, Virgo. चलिए, next zodiac sign, let's move on to Libra. Let's see what is stored for Libra. चलिए देखते हैं लिब्रा के लिए क्या कार्ड आया है. ओके, सो लिब्रा, फॉर यू वी हैव द ब्यूटिफुल कार्ड द लवर्स. So make choices from your heart. So this is the week where whatever choices you have to make, listen to your heart, whether it is for your career change, whether it is for your profile change, whether you have to you know make choices related to work profile, your love if you are single. So make choices from the heart. It's an emotional commitment. So if you are single, you will find someone in your life, you will understand the power of love, and you will have a deeply emotional commitment. So you will love your partner, both will have the same mutual choice. So if you are single, go ahead and chase your commitment. If you are already in a relationship, your bond will grow stronger, or if your relationship is struggling, you will have an emotional conversation and have a joyful time together. You will reunite. This is the time to reunion. All the best, Libra. Chaliye, let us move ahead to Scorpio, the next zodiac sign for the guidance. Let's see what universe is guiding you. Okay, so for you the card is four of Ariel. When you give you also receive. So अगर आप कुछ देते हो बदले में आपको कुछ मिलता भी है. Being resistant to change. So इस समय you are very resistant to change, which is not good. So you have to accept the changes that are coming your way. Grab those changes. It is the time to give and receive. So you are in extremes. Either you save money too much or you spend money too much. You have to have the balance. You can make a diary of your expenses and how you can save and how can you enjoy life. So, whether you give your emotions, whether you give your love, then only you will receive. If you hold on your love, if you hold on your things, you will not receive abundance. You will keep on holding things and feel miserable and sad. You are resistant to change. Open up, give and receive. Don't be resistant to change. Have a balanced approach towards how you save and spend money. Don't hold on them, because holding on things will not help you in return. So you have to balance it out and have a joyful life. All the best, Scorpio. Let us move ahead to check the guidance for Sagittarians. Let's see the guidance for Sagittarians. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is 8 of Gabriel, which means a great deal of activity. So you are in a, in a situation where you have great activities, you are multitasking, you are on your toes working towards your goal. So it's a time for great deal of activity, sudden and immediate results. So you will have sudden and immediate results. So your hard work will definitely going to give you success. So there will be sudden and immediate results for you. Important communication. So you might receive communication from universe for your success. Good news will definitely going to come up. So you have to work hard towards your success. Keep on working hard. Definitely you will receive any sort of communication from the universe and you will have good results. So all the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Capricorn. Let's see the guidance for Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorns, for you the card is Ace of Ariel, which means it's a lucky day for you. You have new resources, money, time, or support to work towards your dream. So you have money, you have time, you have support. So go and chase your dreams. It is a lucky day for you. New opportunities will going to come your way, or you have, in the current existing, you will have a good opportunities, you will achieve success. So if you are looking out for a new job, yes, change of job is in your cards. Or if you are already in a good job, you will definitely receive salary increment or promotion. So it's a very good week for you, lucky week for you. Make use of it, Capricorn. All the best. Chaliye, let us move on to the second last zodiac, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is King of Michelle, which means this week you are very ambitious, you are very focused towards your work. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. For you, wisdom and working towards your goals are important. Stay in your integrity. So focus on your work. Stay what your goals are, what you want to achieve in life. You are very ambitious. So focus on it. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Maybe you have certain situations that occur which requires open and honest communication. Maybe your relationship is struggling, so it is the time to have open and honest communication with your partner. Or if you are in office and certain situation has come up where you need to speak to your boss. So have an open and honest communication so that you sort out the issues and have a joyful week ahead. All the best, Aquarius. So let us have the last zodiac guidance, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay. So Pisces, for you the card is 7 of Michelle, which means there is a better course of action available to you. So there are options available to you, better course of actions available for you. Working alone may not give you best answer, so you cannot rely on your own self to get the right answer for your work. You have to review all the details, work towards in a team so that you get the better answer towards your queries, towards your problems. You will get better solutions. Also, there are many options available. You have to focus on the right option. You have to check what is good for you. There are better course of action. Don't stick on ye bhi acha hai, ye bhi acha hai, ye bhi acha hai. Focus on what is good for you. So all the best, Pisces. Thank you so much everyone for watching the weekly horoscope. May this week brings you happiness, joy and success. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead. Thank you so much.